Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and today is going to be about AI. So what's happening is Adobe released Generative AI that you could replace the background, you could insert subjects, insert things into a photograph that wasn't there before. Just game changing, and a lot of people have been having reactions towards it and not really feeling it. Like, most photographers are getting scared about it, that, oh, this is getting too much, this is that, this is this. They're not really feeling safe about the whole thing, the whole AI growth, the whole change. It's new to them. The issue now is everything in life is all about change. So I so much believe in change, and I so much believe in AI. That's for a fact. I believe AI is the future. AI would make a lot of things different. If AI would make my workflow better, I would invest in it. If AI would make my life easier, I would invest in it. Yes, we have the side whereby we are concerned about things that we are not really sure, like the disadvantages of AI, the bad side of AI. A lot of people are concerned about that. I too am a little bit concerned about that. I believe in change, and I'm open to change. I'm open to learning new things, and AI is one of them. So lately I have been learning about Midjourney, ChatGPT, trying to get myself used to prompt engineering. I'm working on that. I'm trying to read a lot about it. And also, AI has been in photography for a very long time. People don't really know that, but you see all these lots, presets, actions, those are like AI, because they were stored, made by somebody and was stored up and sold to us. Those are like AI. Plugins have been for a long time. Adobe plugins have been for a long time. Topaz, Portraiture, those are plugins, and that's like AI. That's been for a very long time. Just that now we are seeing it differently. This was the same thing that happened to people back then when Photoshop came out, and we had digital cameras from film cameras. You know, we also have that change in mindset. Some people are not really feeling comfortable changing, but some people change. So the thing is that if you're running a business, it'd be better if you are getting used to change. I know how to adapt it and put it into your business and how you can make the most of it. So this is this. I believe AI will not take our job. But I believe people who know how to use AI will take jobs from people who don't know how to use AI. So recently, I have also had a chance of playing with a plugin called Retouch for Me, and Retouch for Me is amazing. So just imagine what Retouch for Me can do. Imagine if Retouch for Me does an upgrade and they can do more. Retouch for Me Dodge and Burn is mind-blowing. 40 volumes also mind-blowing. Just imagine if these people could improve it, and with just a few adjustments, we could get high-end looking images in 3 minutes. As in, that would be like, wow. Think about mirrorless cameras, the autofocusing, those are all AI. I use the Fuji X-T4 and X-T3. I can tell you that I've tried my hands on the Fuji X-T5, and it's amazing. I tried my hand on the Sony A7 IV, mind-blowing. Autofocus is so good. I'm so like excited at the same time, feeling a kind of way, but I'm really excited because we're trying to see if we can make wedding photography delivery in 3 days. I'm trying to work on that. I'm trying to see what's possible, where I can shoot a day, call the next day, edit that same day, and get photo book design out. You get. So the thing is that I'm looking for a workflow like that. When I do, I will be happy to share it with the world and tell everybody that I found it. For now, I haven't found it yet. I've tried Imagine AI and the rest of them. I'm not really feeling it. You need to be open to change. You need to accept change. You need to grow with change. You need to hug change. That's what it's about life. My advice for you be that go ahead, learn as much as you can about AI, and see how you can use it to be part of your workflow. So I'm optimistic, and I'm like, let's have fun. So AI is here. Adobe is killing it right now. Adobe Fly is killing it right now, and it's fun. So AI is here. Just go ahead and try to have fun with it. And remember, you have to change. Change the only thing constant in business. So go ahead and learn AI and use it for your business. Have fun.